In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox connection error. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, the Roblox connection error can be really frustrating as it stops you from playing Roblox. So I have got a few fixes which I'm going to go through with you, and the first fix that you want to do, if you come to your desktop, then what you want to do is come to your taskbar at the bottom, click into the search box and type run. Underneath best match you should see run come up, give that a click and that's going to open up a little window in the bottom left hand corner. Now into the run box you want to put the following command, which is a % symbol followed by local app data, so that's all one word, and then another % symbol, and then go ahead and click OK. What that's going to do is open up a folder like this, and in this folder you want to look for the Roblox folder. This is in alphabetical order, so if you just scroll down and come to R, and you should see the Roblox folder here. What you want to then do is double click to open up the Roblox folder, and you should see a folder in here called logs. Give that a double click to go into the logs folder, and what you want to do is delete everything in this folder. Once you've done that, close this down and see if you can successfully load up Roblox. Now, if that didn't work for you, the next thing I would recommend doing is a full clean uninstallation and reinstallation of Roblox. So to do that, come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click onto the search box and type remove programs like this. Then what you want to do underneath best match is click onto add or remove programs. That's going to bring up a window like this, and from here you want to come up to the search box at the top. Into the search box, go ahead and type Roblox, and for everything related to Roblox that appears, so the Roblox player, and if you do have the studio that as well, you want to come to the right hand side, click onto the three dots and click onto uninstall. Now once you've gone through and uninstalled Roblox, what you can do is then open up the Roblox website. So open up a new browser, come across to roblox.com, and what you want to do is just try and load up any experience. What that's going to do is reinstall Roblox. Once Roblox has reinstalled, you can then try and see if you're able to connect successfully and start playing Roblox. If that didn't work, what I would recommend at this point is checking that the Roblox servers are not down, that there's no problems or anything like that. So if you open up a new tab and you want to come across to status.roblox.com. Now this is the official website to check the Roblox servers. As you can see at the moment all systems are operational, but if there's any problems or anything, this banner instead of being green is going to be like a yellow colour or red or something like that, as you can see from history, and it's going to tell you if there's any problems and what parts of Roblox are affected. So if that's the case for you, you just want to wait until of course the servers are back up and running, and then you should stop receiving that connection error problem. So that is how to fix Roblox connection error. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.